Well, here it is. This is a 1988 Oldsmobile Toronado Trofeo. Close to what I have, but 1 year newer, and mine isn't a Trofeo, of course, it's a base model. But this one was on Craigslist about maybe 5 months ago. They wanted $7 grand for this. I know it's a Craigslist card because it has the painted headlight doors and grille that were painted the same color as the body as the car. So, but this thing has been taken apart, or not really taken apart, but it's been destroyed by the junkyard because they lift up the cars from the roof. I've never seen anything like that in Michigan. And this has the optional exhaust, dual exhaust on there, which I really wish I could take. And they also tinted the rear tail lights. You know, I blackened out my tail lights so they work less. It's got a built-in swimming pool, beautiful. And
get the hood open.
Oh, you can't get the hood open?
Nope, sat there and tried.
Oh, it's a Trofeo emblem one. This is the base model right here.
Oh wow.
Why is this on the?
Guess they knew if they have parts off of other ones.
Yeah, I guess so. I'll take that. So we'll move to the interior here. We'll see if they can get that hood open because they need that. Covered in mud. Center console car with the horseshoe shifter. Had an aftermarket radio in it. It's got a weird looking steering wheel, the one I don't like. Digital dash, which I believe the digital dash was an option for the Trofeos. You can see here, Trofeo. And then back seat. Really nice. So, well, that's the story on this thing. Let's see if I can get the hood. Oh, that seems to be broken. So, yeah, there we go. That's the first find so far. I'll probably update this more if I can with more Tornados or other cool Oldsmobiles. So, there we go.